new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Chana mi heduna je plani toto le wona pa tanto beton ha 02426707773 number choganana ako a to ako do na je pa 02426707773 number na temna ako ado na je pa ke abale kinyo dina na wona je ko mami ensenya lukilo kule nagwe kavaro so miao motivational message la motivational message na mjora kwa nyapo mtinye nyajo joyo ka kamera mtu mafia au mjazora ngoa nikona kahawa ni nyajo joyo ka katachi abala wokataji nikona newspaper soma po gabon newspaper so le batoma ala na po ganina in zona masona the rate teaches story yana to for my thing but macho mon ko kwa da pana rate teaches ma po mo yo ka le yana junction le ko la fia bona dibe wo kwelengele auto yo to toma abu mozo awa frodo awu ke do chon wi ko to kebe wala aba yo to ke ma po mo na yo ke akperen chola auto to mama e pasina maleji ko da pana rest teacher store okay ta fi ma wona wa mo no ma to ga dali na aba ame we oro je ke fanya ni ke ma da pana ho central member of parliament which more than by Halam Plaga Hafi one Chijam and that when you got J Muslims ever dictionary all I have up there to Novata now elected Doji Najover ya Banyanchi Lenyapo Wanama Garimanchi Le Chifuga Hostel Le Water Afia Chifuga Hostel Le Water Afia Mia Akbara Munya Roger Napomo no Bata ole ashib le toke jate ala ba ni ko sebe nchangno ya ni ko premne all right ya ayida ko akbo de ya motivational message la elba toma so welcome to your translation. This is a Rain West morning show and Tony Marcos your host and we'll go through straight up to the motivational message for today, which I'm sure we have on our screen. Okay, so greatest wealth is waking up healthy every morning. The greatest wealth is waking up healthy every morning. Dan Kabuika said this, and we already know. But Mufiana Boblomba, Casino, Dan, Tokata, and you got Katakatanya, a phone edition, La Lamasam, Casino, Tokata, Dan, Tokata. Arroyo, mi phone and book, not 29, and I'm in the come. Phone up versus so, Plato, Alaba, YouTube, Damn, and Yashu. It's never Nyapa. Taroji mo mefa mkpokpo mefa jimajijo muma famna kaba na nama da eda funa mi ado yo aka nufiala kabuika lo dan kabuika manye ifaka tika pa kocho aka ichala onye gbogbo mananya fondi ananya la masama ko da kwara maureta and nanama nye nyapa motivational message egba na musanya la lamoko na lamose na la shoka da chebo ya nye ngom to nye amarika na magbele paren to mani na kato ao we sebedi lamasama kelesia nye ai pa kasino we seba lamasama ikamela nye ha ipa kasino kuna za lamasama na chopa araba na kitambu tonke atawo agbanchi afokawe na tade afanam kovene yeruki alo no na mavene ni to yeruki na mai chenya pa uona gomema 0242670773 enya kapoje shi kana tamaza ako adoje pa 0242670773 enye nomba kana tamaza ako ado aje na esenyanko le Facebook project nimpa na senyanko le YouTube project nimpa na senyanko le apashakpa kama pashakpa le nyapa satellite alo le multitude project 0242670773 enye nomba ke and then ado ache. All right. Nia ayahoide.com news nila ho la amugan tome to khoto amale fia ke ni ajibana ayomi fa alawa nia adoje ni jana baba mia poncho nyayo ke to mia tome alo nyayo ke kan awle mia tome mba niko seba hoide.com ba jamba anya so kaka mai ke phone control nyo ke kamina tom mata ha jona para nyanchi le na jojo na sanano free from ya pantomo patamo ta para nyanchi ala nyanya. All right, 65% of Ghanaians support Mohammed's disinterest in Fed 10. 65% of Ghanaians support Mohammed's disinterest in Fed 10 or in the Fed 10. Ghana Info Analytics to Okum Kodare Dwaja, Ghana di Black de Botton, the Shadow Larofar Kamen, O Dashireji, but Dukoplora John Dramani Mahama, Maga, Abe. Yagan not the watching abe ukoya plola ino abe ne mahama panke kode le abe plafan ke bonamoko bana go blombe umavio ko sabe mahama ne dashi le donchina mabubu. So that's that 65% of Ghanaians support Mohammed's disinterest in Fed 10. So research Banyai and menye enye blom over info analytics to wo yo ku me ba tamo ko me se peto ala we ni blom mola ye malo ta tana to mu ga jingbe mahama naga be aka putu kwa yako no ko se we na yon ka de kwa ni jokbo. So that's the big story about it. Lo jong me jije lo kwaji me jije lo kwaji alo me kufu lo kwaji tengme dana to wo se ben disi plenty akpa va ka tanji lo tengme no bia oba chocho ba ta so so ko to ta ale o jini alo ale o pome ni ma. All right, Ghana's tallest man dies. Awuchi dies. Le kadia komile lobo le yenye amekaji khosebe enye Ghana beji Ghana bi kokoto ke jata e ma lo kokon to menya bi ke ejo gbepade de afoku gbepade de jojia e wa ro do aja ba magavali hanye nyare ke among function chini ya leboga Awuchi once believed to be Ghana's tallest man. His son called BBC Black Fisher nyare over ha wo toshin da ya to sort of. So that's another good story over there. So Awuchi we wish you a restful journey to your makers. All right. Wontumi 6 Mohammed's mercy from prison. Wontumi 6 Mohammed's mercy from prison. Dr. Paul Brave, Batidankwa Ikenye, campaign manager ne Wontumi Opum Joy Kewai. I think that was a city show at the Opum. Irekwa Boblombe Wontumi Akboroki. Shiazon Wontumi Berukim Woide prison. Our Mr. Joe Prisons Administration Bonyoba I want to ride on some prison at the Bantoa Mamonyo a cheese amato do berabu kaka le chapel prison chapel nanye Christo Paji afi ne ala subola ha on pa Paji the polio kata uba subona le dai mutu varo sound prison de quanto Madonna o Elohim kabika do bera kaka alaba unka uplay fika nyayo ko bia segment fika mon kita ono manye prison of by come to go down na ya lo fun manya fuma o lo fuma at least banka bed sukujo pa bati planning bato at least so la fuma fan halegia fuma o le que Mr. Habe amokele general president amoke fin puti o ngbegle puti o mano strong plato amama no mesho no Kenya ha o prisoner o person o no that she want to meet alabo no va ha o baji taka nyale want to meet jita nke meden ke to fuma o gaba president ni gbogbo is going to out the prison for now court because ujabo wardrobe that is that want to Paul Grave but she done for Blomba want to Seropi Gom Hanson the prison Kabanya yo the popular and ship the popular son chia no take you maybe do bluff ya maybe blow ya call her Professor Salo alo bondi ba kokola so that's that. We will go into that. All right, Deputy Attorney General accuses Abuaji of Yoko detention lie. Deputy Attorney General accuses Abuaji of Yoko detention lie. Shrem Sai Fung Ajo. That's a Shrem Sai Fung Ajo. You can Deputy Attorney General Pirako a global nyak Dennis Franco Abuaji. Kataji ma le bana o for that man global ayole koile Yoko Basel. Into her Kanaba move with demonstration. Moonshine Papa Man. Rashifu Funisha. Rashifu Funisha. The two boys are on her. But over kata over demonstration and look down at the Yamaton Milema. That Gilaqua in Kukua Faticamber Nyaik Dennis Mato Sabojiva Global, you could lay at a Marco Mubian at home. Oh, no. Deputy Attorney General maybe a place. Dennis Mato Saboji, a problem, and Yaplamber, a Yolea. Mubian Yarkacho, if a Gayoka, Boo, Alo Gayoko, playing Belly for Donna, Maloika, for Donna, the ministerial committee, Magia. No, it's not true. Okay. That me when I am from the level with the Yapo Alacolera. GPRTU Transport Ministry to meet over proposed 30% fare hike. GPRTU Transport Ministry to meet over proposed 30% fare hike. Over Ami Direction, petrol, diesel, plus gas, Fabi Direction. Alaber Egba GPRTU Kukula, the Kukula, Kukula for Abobo, Gutuga, Chiru Domaga Kona, more for a Nyauji, most of Nyauji like Ghana. But upon a Fokayo, Tanda to Amibashi for G, I mean, who got that Yamitra, who got 18 cities per bar per liter or something. Pasha Troy in a barretono, for a room, a value. I was pepper when you had a rufishi. A punchio, fashion, a punchi, jalo over a punchimo, or fashion hachi malava, kaka, aleka, but the carnival of $1, Magano, as home chow, Magano, Sibia Gaja, but a bit of Fiana Apso, Katajia Player. $1 kama baton city ne ramata punchi mo hapa shilachi ka ammi hapa shima uda gamraji abono da ami fashi di kon ka ko ya roma ngugu hapa shi na jela ba agba de la koda agba manku choglaji zona tuna emoji afivana ashi da na agbamankwuo chọgbere gbọna ye ekwukula alo kekekecho medakeko lọna gba kanguela na gbogbo ya o medakocho lọna nsọgbeleji kọgbọna ogbe awo enwu odosire nwa nwusako kene ha bajaga ejebe na chọọchị ashimako dura pamkia achọdara nwa fashishi achane nukwela da ni alifia ejejoma banya fiaro nyaka nyaka Ibrahim Motoga Konko na Pokani economics la politics da kutuga la afuma ila mapopon ba jirua ase nyapa baba soso alawa wa acha baba shagwa klosuba maga mo bashima ichina mmakhle nyataka kama kile ko transport ministry to meet GPRTU transport unions are expected to meet with the Ministry of Transport today, July 28, to discuss a proposed 30% increase in transport fares amid rising fuel prices. So, dokumina mokoko na overdo jiwa na asagon aro jiwa doma gana asagon nwo fashi ji amakpekere mianchi ada funamina koma. So koko makoko mina jiwa na sengo was nanya do bana ku first time I will remember subvention ku fana be subvention nya gbare ke misele ku for but time ku for be economy alo ko ganya odi enyu na wu na asiole na mape abale ke ne dogo ma nwo fashi ole na mape nwo fashi no di see show up and down see show up and down da o gonna have subvention kabe na asia yijia akpan jiru na ho de akhe bi da maybe peswa blaton alo si de kara ku ya khara mshang ko subo mga samba ashiji garidio na kena shaga didia akpan ke jiru na ami pashi de ya kata make jiru bugare kanye profit alo chidi arabe our subvention shows and so we have to do a tough conversation on this. Nimaga economics feel some that they are more economy has turned around for 7 million. But is it good to know where Joe or Yigaji Pashi 60 cities? So are you 70 go I 85 no no nama I'm over Shimano and I'm at least for a couple where I valid for a woman. So that's a tough conversation we'll be having. And 126 Mohammed's message from prison, we have that he incarcerated Ashanti Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Bernard Ntubosheko, popularly known as Chairman Wunti, has extended a public apology to President John Dramani Mahama and First Lady Rodina Mahama over comments made during the heated campaign period between ahead of the 2024 general election. The overture comes as he serves a 20-year prison term following his conviction for illegal mining activities in the Summerboard Forest, and he's being positioned as a plea for presidential clemency. So, speaking in an interview, Wontemi spokesperson Paul Dankwa conveys the apology on behalf of former regional chairman. All right, so Paul Crave, Wachi, Abram, the prisoner, Ibia, Wontemi, as a matter of fact, me confirm, but Bunti mi Jonah Banama Shama, the Bobona to Jonah Banama Shama, Obunama Shama, Military Prison, I feel about Obuna, I'm a Shama, prison at the Pare Kama Shama Sole. The Kata or Gapu getting taking me, I chill a president, the Kata Gapu getting taking me, and do president, I let you see the cat better. Sham and I let you the Boba Jam, and the Pare, Navy, Mobile, pure, Kamakam, so these are some of the things we have. It's interesting. Mahama, but Ghana talk about Mahama, Magacha Baba, that's a big kind of story also. We'll be discussing. Mahama Berry, Nepo, Bludgeon, Atona Poto. Because, yeah, she knows about the popular vehicle, the Tatisha, Alabre, and the Masaglena. Magbo mamurugo mama na ga yake elaba saglobe amare ke ma ga ko awu afani turanwo e bia ba fane ko ployi afani sha afani sha fane nya da ko na mami oni magana ma fane sha fane nya da ko mare ke ma ko si boje va turanwo ma sagbe ma ambe akagbanti okpro mamare baba ike nana duzan kwa kufu aruba kota eyo bafia sagbogbe ature nwo amoba abori ma kingbobe we are watching Ghanaians are watching the parliament in atoko sama na media budget review Ghanaians are watching with eagle eyes and ya kariwa magbe kwaro no fiaro be yo seko be Mahama be da ko before onje and Mahama be and I think we stop on that. That's a good one. Mahudumu Titopiare, a pour gendre minutes bla don vo fait beda charle ne magbeda ubam no ke problème c'est plaga na mitami ga de dia go fila de ni da toga abaton na ko ni yaklo
no silence ever English dictionary ya tepe but si dictionary aka so afi di passé k no silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah standard yeah and you know the view can the basic level and you know American SHS and you know American university allo language na nya make manya be view e be strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary and you know I'm a make na nya be view mo jura po e be strong be no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama na dile go so mad na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria open to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa cover no akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Fraget Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi nine junction na de Fraget Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put. I have too much to toy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
never for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that is not the Abraham Fibaraka in LA. I particularly to call for boy hour. But the husband had the dealer no fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapan or Passive and you went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passive Coco for Yakotara.
Well, when not to go,
Vai, but I can use to go. It a big at that as a Cremonton top. Vola Patica, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola togo? You man no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa todo wala todo fita itanye za vola chika nya tomatoro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yura vola to
Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa le akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion le akwe kala hwahwe gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamni da gbawa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa badashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina ne miayi vola ba senta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola e fi valo akloli le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ufuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti maklo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa futo wo fukame fukame tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva akodo come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hofo ye fo
All right, daily graphics. Daily graphics. Daily graphics. Daily graphics. Yeah, the daily graphics, man. All right. Ghana completes IMF bailout. Ghana completes IMF bailout. Final $160 million of $3 billion approved. Ghana completes IMF bailout. Nakbo daily graphic India nyak and the Kakarafman, the away that complete IMF Bela Ghana, who guy who we are doing IMF, the Hokata, Alawa, a Gamamlito, we were corner near. Now, Chenemy, Cassiel at 2 Ikanye, Jibu, Domagaka Konafa Ganyanji, Yemale, Banotade, Ghana complete IMF. Bela, Miti Edimia Juniama, Agbana Pogani, Nkanye IMF Bela, a Gadodope, a Gadodople, a Ganchiro, Oho, Joe, Pocotapo, Ga, Jarupa Ga, Bo, Dinavai Duga, who a sector Rogana, Sonreji, Daye Blomenin. No one and a man at Damoduma, or Taboba Magahoma, you domo. You Magaha Saga, Bobo, you will let me on a minute, Dodo son la dance. Then a Dogo, Dodo Moma, Cabo, you do IMF, development. Is it really an achievement? Is it really an achievement? Okay, time is a moment to get Nepo, Da, Cassel at 2 Fossil Boom. Ni toyara bye a pung le for an fai from a mamma rota obiana popola for amachacha the Ponacana Bubana Contana. Dodo you peji on Casaro, you peji, you obey yours on the Puama Regizoma. A Dioka, Yokusaba, Popoga, I can't talk out, allo, Fide Yoka Vavagan, you are over. The guy who goes as a refugee banto at the home of the sound of Roma, a Garoga here, Rojiva Baru. Those are some of them more you tag at each year in your media budget. Alright, the castle at 2 for some fair and Yaima. Amo Mosamia Gomo, Johnny were nowhere. Me bailout is I'm and Hannah Perum, a question about what borage were no berenci, murder, no berenci, yea, bella, la yo fu per comma, Gadu Dumania Puhinao, wo Gadu Dumania Puhina, Taduga, a net then doga, Henia, go over rating, legit, to call that rating, let to call ship. Rating the because that to get Montunaga almost more than America them Adugashi. Adi Ashi, Yobanabanashi Salatala, walk with the Kongma, a lot of Kongma, Gatu Dumania, Uhomo Jumo Juna of a ga, I don't Gatu Dunamo. Let me put it out. Umo Juninamo is not a problem for them. The important thing is that Naduga, then a he. Dana Yadukushima Gra, Naduga, Atemashi. That you have good credit. You should be credit worthy. If I have bomber, that you will wear on a baby, that do go crawl, come a cool. I have Buguarakan and Mukbarakan, my share at a chamo, Raboku Sebastian, Chalawi Doga, Tafla Luma, the right Doga, and a choker, Supufia, Doga, I go, I play with on a roleta, a Doga, a chocolate, the other home, Tamo, you Tafla. $2 no to do a moment or morning, I do that. A couple avo mtuvo benya kashino akodare wardrobe mama nyama blonde no aduga couple shipio achokodare fuma kodo cho pe room digara me damo magi to do me wenya blonde aduga kochashi atunko be yenya ashichalanga yenya mtepo wala yepe nyaklo me lafia. So Ghana ten doga ike ayoko de boha that is big deal in economics that I'm making no one no le America ke fagbo muta $360 million in Gamana ike ojewa onami ha that $3 billion has been approved. That's big deal. $3 billion has been approved. that's a lot of money, trust me. And it's an achievement in economics or in the wealth of nations. We are able to call what Daniel Blom when you push him out le asichacha ma abiega odino kaba efia bubu gande efia ba enyam tepola ya ba bakpelemu na mai wole the wealth of nations mema alo state policy alo state economics now national economics macroeconomics and more big time macroeconomics. So if government is able to get $3 billion and tranches alaba ulam premier pak balon chi ulam premier pa income revenue platon chi o carry you meet goyim le nyapa ganyoma is good credit for the government. So that is all about it. Emma me fiabe to come la from to call from a pa a dial domini la ba a ship polifom ne to correct jijimaro libona o bona hege gayo domini la ba yike tamia kpopungo kpoklo ba mu kakana ma gamo kata onya gakefio ibona hege le karo magbe. So Emma me economy. So when we rejoice in moderation, we rejoice with wisdom. We know a diakata gadodo okay, so Kasel Boba, me IMF boss Yandre. We have been to the IMF 17 times. Kasela to force Nebonyama. We have been to the IMF 17 times. Yandre Liania, if I do guy up maybe, and you Boba Yanama Tona. I'm over Cassia. Cassiel. I'm putting more back. I'm putting akba. Many in Banto, Maraha Global Ghana beyond 8 ball. Maraha Global Ghana beyond 8 ball. So, Nyayo miss so ball, Nyayo miss so point well. Nkatu to tie, Nano Blomber, Ghana, Kaya, why would we even speak that way? Economy has not changed structurally. Structural change in economy, where economy don't do control. Me am gedele, I'm back to Uncle Agleded. Then I'm saying I'm a Briaro, I'm a block, I'm a Mekisaro, we won't. Agble Kunkum, Kenya, that them at the Ruzania. How? Kama devuna mere mitan do chonko beta du ko ma ko je vu ba da honve gla minya shi chalao ba shi chala gang ite na ji le tiktok ko pata me jako akbo Ghana ti amebo no si sam ano galom va Ghana aw ni Kenya tawo adi na shon le to jana shi awo production e ti abe menye doma ba khoshiwe o agric nyad bledege dege bledege ni alo wona yire ko tan ko Ghana fabza ni ye pama na ye yamabu je ko na yi meli je ko wona do ton ko me ye fo na fia fam bibi ara on plan to mi agbo e structural change you know structural change up to now 24-hour economy would have been the structural change alo one district one factory okay and more over here Nanado Dankwa Kufaro for one district, one factory. Allo, John Dramani Mama for 24-hour economy. Allo, J. Ekufo for golden age of business. And we're talking about golden age of business. Kufo. Allo, one district, one factory. Nanado Dankwa. Allo, 24-hour economy. Ayo, kwa depo kuku zevinyawo. So we'll come to that conversation. All right. ICU petitions Mahama over Valco proposed sale. ICU petitions Mahama over Valco proposed sale. The all of our border from the couple to Valco for a giant over the cuckoo. Yo the cuckoo, Lofa dog, you do Makarashi back country. Boja, Nikona Yamak Bogara, Banya by Chonanya or anger, your Chonanya, so we will leave that to come back to that. 4 years after explosion, Apia say victims suffer in relief camp. Mayon Konya, Apia take, Apia say, 4 years after explosion, Apia say victims suffer in relief camp. Ngo jogi amoro le Apia Saint Thomas ma amo ku amo hobby ko na sonia azelia amoro ko o la kwanta bada chiru ko mbeka ta tora mumbu do ano fi o job back bela yo ku no ma pia na kutana nya o kutanya wa so that is there. Doctor uses 20,000 Ghana Cedi cash reward to equip Paga Hospital. Doctor uses 20,000 cash reward to equip Paga Hospital. Doctor direct na don follow tele Paga. Dono jipo where a joke direct in 20,000 million. So but a conji Indian direct o name to. All right. So telegraphic not too good for me today now. Telegraphic when now so we drop that and maybe let's go to the spider. Ghana names and shames new award scheme to publicly brand corrupt officials vultures. Ghana names and shames new award scheme to publicly brand corrupt officials vultures. Over 50 years ya yonko atumbo ifia botaje shifo na reji ike oto anonkwedum $2 ke nye amhozamu na hozamu ya kwele shifo yo go akaga you people should be serious. Politicians who juna wakaga but I mean opak bazelo train to politicians work bazelo train to na you politicians akaga okay all right. Dalam said defiance, miners repair, seized excavators return to digging near Obuasi Airport. Oh, like seriously. Dalam said defiance, miners repair, seized excavators return to digging near Obuasi Airport. Obuasi Tomara Obuasi Kanase Kulo Yoko Lopa Caterpillar or Plato Yoko to Ramle Afoma Shogun Hayman. O Trogaba to Caterpillar, you could you dog with the Conagram, same Chichi Ladadi, Alabo Bugagra for Mogamokoraina. Okay. Gold boards hidden crisis. Veteran staff revolt over pay, promotions, and politics as moral sinks. Gold board hidden crisis. Veteran staff revolt over pay, promotions, and politics as moral sinks. Enya jojong left and you feel off. I can have a robot. My shika, she, chacha, were one or yajilla, always through Nenserver or Demogram me, alame, alebana chashikashi, alona peshikano, jaladana here. A momojima mo, unyaja mania, omojiboko unyaji. Milka domamaho over Vassam, alabuma for 2 criminal. Dozoran goy ko jebo ho alo tureji ko jebo bol la to na mai along goy ko jebo no babam no ma babam ke dunya he ba jor ba do no mai to mi katran je sami je ti da nyang ne ndisi la dana kata gulugo to aki yo ba to ma ka sia e yo kata na ba jima mo jo ma mo ta le to ba to cha wo ma nyawo nan ka ro bono ko tramani ba ka ka sana to ma fo to ma mo global healing crisis, veteran staff revolt over pay, promotions, and politics as moral sinks. Anyway, so that's yet blank banana. That Sami can feel about your profit of that for me. Namachi show that of Sami can feel we are making profit. You're making a lot of money. All right, from palace to podium. How Kwehu's chiefs, family, and mentors build a chief of staff's PhD. Oh, from palace to podium, how Kwehu's chief's family and mentors build a chief of staff's PhD. Mikbo Jose Brahma, left my chief of staff, to Domaga, to Dolo Kata, Yoko, to Do, to Dome, to Dinahame, Ufanya, the Fia, Wobrombe, Badi left my performance, Takuri Toma, Sakura Mana, chief of staff, Jose Brahma. Oh, but a young banner, a Razubana Pinyala, I have a phone call as doctor. Padia from the Yankonia, Doctor Gilo Debra, Doctor Jemiayanama, Doctor Gilo Debra, Doctor in Museum and Heritage Studies. Who will make Fiao, Fiahao, Fiapumao, Platokata, the Brutom, Uperench, after Razuki. The Mayana. Don't you know Makum about Obanavina Hoki, given a strong Wakunana Kaka. A beer market to Trumara, Grammy, Kamena on a board, a tiny Remata, Chano, Matamnamo, and Banako come, a Pukara Banahokium, Nyong Dari, Nadia Moba, Nia Bomolare, the Co, who put the ship. Nakukeram Pukiaruma, Mopor Doma, Una Puporoto, of Pupata Boto Panaka, Glaciar, Bogora, Fiovers, Doctor, Jabber, our number, your Debra, Renewable Museum and Heritage Studies, a strong to Fico, Conan Pukio, Blamamoko Danaro, Na Mojala, Mojaka Chagirona. All right, on the screen. MP's empty seat. Ghana faces constitutional vacancy. MP's empty seat. Ghana faces constitutional reckoning as Ohini Frimpong's Dutch detention drags on. All right. MP's empty seat. Ghana faces constitutional reckoning as Ohini Frimpong's Dutch detention drags on. Well, Honorable Ohini Frimpong, Alawa, Pasarefisia, Marakama, Liga, Lojiji, Abe, so Takwahama, Milano, da, Enya, Aji, Akwe Mole, Balaba, Yare, Temidola Nyapia, Ajaba. Garami Apopo Tasam, the Constitution. Naponia Constitution, but Ghana faces constitutional reckoning as on the response that detention. Olympia got a wood ever said this year in a course of that our little a Jonah because Yama. No more, one have your things in a pampa, or you have baby to Garam, but you blow more you, Ubam. Ole MP abasere fifia minya toga nyala nya ho MP atroba no jigo ame ya chan MP to nya ato jagba be anu MP be tiketi no chin of as member of parliament ugbe o ma chin the MPP amebo ni MP o jaba lose primary yo PG to jagra no roshi gano shi amono nchi la kwekwe o perenchi alaba o garfo blama abaro kishime na bukata baru ni independent candidate taka yo wa we election ago MPP tawazu sway la parliament wala we management NDC tawazu boshi garbamu MPP show was NDC show that NDC tawazu for parliament no parliament apaton akpa renya NDC yo ba na la ka bono be be akpro NDC toro ta choji kule akpa meji ke NDC to MPP to papaji agere NDC to de ya no papaji o le charge mama no bia mara ko da yo la I'm a champ for my because MPP told the body that Roku the Kishima Gavaka champ plenty all the parliament for all nama my famous of my Evazwa my style that make us talk about hanging my now Bible number give me a put that in here it's as simple as that to mind about by election or government the mind about by election oh never follow up gani apa yang dah kena kampus itu mesti sudah kali ni alwe mara so ko beda sia ke tu yang wada bo dan ukia bo makbona na matrova nya asora ko toni makbo nya kono
Nusilence ever English dictionary nya tepe but si dictionary aka zo afi e passer K Nusilence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah and you know the view can the basic level and you know American SHS and you know American university allo language na nya make manya be view e be strong be kra Nusilence ever English dictionary and you know I'm a American nya be view mo jura po and be strong be Nusilence ever English dictionary and you know mama na la din le boso so madan na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can call screen Nigeria open to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call Nusilence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akbe Nusilence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, cái tụi quỷ. Ta nhớ too much ready toy. Một những worms, but a killer.
Oh.
Những mà phải phân. Những mà ta thăng mặt chung. Mà nó chỉ có.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ketukanya gbogbo ya wa. But husband na didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya no kura wa. Bola pasi ko ko nya ko ko katara gbe.
Bo. Mo no chi ko ku no to e plolo.
vai batakalo sugo itabika dada secrement tonto vola pratique wa busielo wetofina
Mayire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko mo kpong jeje.
Vola chika no no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama na zin.
Miapa dodo wala dodo fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miaduma toro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mele akblawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion le akwe kala hwahwe a gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wo jango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo le hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina ne mi ayi Vola eba senta Afima mi apota yo le Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite pedeka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nidewa Eti makolo no ba Na ile vola eba senta Ikele jengo aplau Victoria Park Afima na kodo Wontu akame Wakuto Wofukaume Wofukama tutu dokada Vola heba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba Akodo Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo wi
overseer. 272 Ghanaians recruited, 55 dead in Russia-Ukraine war at Blackburn. 272 Ghanaians recruited, 55 dead in Russia-Ukraine war at Blackburn. That's a big deal. The Dominica Kapona Ghana for Kachacha Pebetadu Kom Oji Opietoba Kwagombe Ghana via Alofave Bla Alofave Blandrevove Wowe Wo Sort the Sojam Le Russia Ukraine Pava Omolam Que Ghana vi Bla Tongo Tongoku Russia, where Ukraine provide for more than overseer. I want to know if we're on the same page. Overseer. Okay. IMF approves Ghana's final program review, clears way for over $300 million disbursement. All right. Tanya community is serious. A black wag of Blomberi, Ghana V, Alofa, a blantable, or chocolate the soldier. About 272 Ghanaians recruited, 55 years in Russia, Ukraine war. Avec Russia, Ukraine war, the East survive Russia, Ukraine, to my Ghana, on my black tongue, to bad weather touch. Alors, Ghana vie, black tongue, to pour la fin. That's real, you know. Me that's not much go. Oku je to black what things is domaga. You can pon na for catch up with that call me. All right. IMF approved Ghana's final program review. Clears way for over 300 million. I think we've done that already. MPP locked Ghana into IMF conditionalities, limiting our spending at 2%. NPP locked Ghana into IMF conditionalities, limiting our spending at 2%. We don't get Ghana for Ghana or Jibo Blombelli. Ale ke mete garamu, oba 2% megaramu, oba 2 megazamu, 0 megazamu, 0 megaramu. NPP to when we were na Ghana, bazu kuri na fota du ko for gajaro for ikepona du ko breu du ko duaya o for Ghana oji. NPP to when we were na egba Ghana du ko ba gato le IMF bo le yofu shi. Awena doga ye wo shogba magaze gal ko magawe alo maga homo de jiru domo magaze ga ma jiru magaze ga ko nya ta Ghana yo le jire ao alo interest ta duana nya bari e agbomo le ato is not spend this year ro anyo ya hono alo ma George but this year ro e ma le zero kojo kataba ni mo dogbo ndi akachi no this year ma de mo ato machine gancho ato machine Victoria je ko ho bonyama ato machine gancho bisanya ma jigere. And basically we blom la ko ale ko ga district assembly common fan vana ko Ghana na yo ko wa do fia no ku kavia o ma ka wuli ayare na ina chi ayare na ina security ayare na ina dollar ayare na ina ayare o ma ka wuli ko we hala ganchi ala bebe gamaro shubo Dwana nyabari NPP to for Gazaza ya kacho dumanya populo MPP to nanado tankwa kufuado bleyo MPP bleyo baumia koduko okpolokpo ni kebaima ina baba ibazo uvi na yofu adu galoshi oban gbogbo IMF timba obo ina galko menye yo ati fo sem glonya de la yaura ke va ibe ike nabe encore ha akonyo maki itenye minority leader lo NPP to kata yo pele parliament go do fo munola gbe atur nyene blo je bo to bo chine nyakana to bo jine ndisi to minister kata ble mshame tenye parti monolo ala be Yashirem Gancho, I do for some global. The work of a finance minister is not how much he spends, but how faithfully he spends what has been given to you, or how faithfully he is a custodian. Abadi, I'm a finance minister. I'm a Gazaza Kaka ale kama ma wo wona ma ba hong yene ama ma wona ma ba amare ke le faithful I make a faithful person is a loyal person, dependable person. Made can attack courage when it to see that about no management. So he's been faithful and he's managing faithfully. Maunya lo Biblia manyang banyak bearo dul mana kasih to pose in a way. This will be he that is faithful in little is faithful in much. And he that is faithful in others shall be faithful in this. You see, so Mirakuku, Casero Nyalafia Bradaga, Manya Blue, Obey. Okay, Ibrahim Mahama Elafia. Ibrahim Mahama Lafia. Ibrahim Mahama denies interest in acquiring vehicle, threatens legal action over claims. Ibrahim Mahama in to corporal oche. Ogbo blombo vehicle in you do for gare ke monado nyambo. Oja that you bagbaje me ajre do for ya ne rokushimare. Abo mketa me ya ne rokushimare but you do for no rokushimare. Beta o chashiruta do nyanamu ariamu poto fika do kama tona to marka dara kwa bono to chundi ko ganado do re kuku ama ku fiu pen dola yo pela va ku ba yo do re kuku ko nke jo ke bana jo ko nya jo ka para ba go lomba Ibrahim Mahama ne ko proje ye be afla ba ku ta ko proje be ye re bene the person over no that form matter. I'm milk at that you or Ponto, you can call your blue, you can cover if you have to a bomb wherever I hold you or us. You put question on one mother, you may probably have another current moment, sandwich. A jib over the shadow at the one at Dana, they won it to a circle rule. The boy who feed a Dana for salted. Maracama Gabon Colonel Robert Kujish, but not a danger. A trauma and a blum. Ah! People lawyer while the signal no put down in Yataba, no summer makeable from the Yataba. Valco managers back strategic investor distance themselves from protest. Valco managers back strategic investor distance themselves from protest. Now, Parakanya Akpa make a lina word. Ayi ke va ko dola ya magbro oba yo malolo go we no go gree aluta yo malolo go moka cha do pa amaga yo ke va ko ba yo chi amare ke nya shala won ta ba o chefa da ba ko de do ba ma ikini rukishima ekia ba na chuga de do pa ma wu du fo kai ke do pa ma ko que en haga gaga do ma ba alo razu doctor ala bo ga ba mo na no ga ba la ma wu ji ru to ko e ke ba na ji ru do nya ma da shi le ji o to se do la ba do fa to do ma ga o yo ko na blung ga la o le do fa mo bo yo ji mo na ma yo ga to le ji ne ke shi ga la mo pu ta le ke shi ga la ba do ba ji o ga ke ma ma blom yo do ji o le ma mo ya ka bom mo. Interesting times ahead. Grassroots movement endorses Opong Fosu for NDC National Chairmanship. Grassroots movement endorses Opong Fosu for National Chairmanship. Opong Fosu ma ba ya so chima no la ne NDC to katala kana katalo. Donc kuji ba shedun kachanya NDC ba chima no la. Akra maga asedu fo nko samba jibe aganya jimanola amobu na sa ba jibe asora ngwa ba su ko pala ayo ke opong sube eli pa amroko wobe onye amagbulo le pajama onye am de keke le pajama obo o de magbana ali aba mo bani nya ruo mi gbere bo be la be nya jojo do ruo le re ni ruo ma hitra ya como se sele opon fu suple ba le agmoro do ma bo gbere na ma aro ama be aro to poto mi a o be eji mi le da ma nya nya ma lo mu da nya chene na ma. All right, the dispatch. On the 14th anniversary of his death, Ghana lost a president I lost a mentor and friend, Mahama. On the 14th anniversary of his death, Ghana lost a friend, but I lost a mentor. I lost a mentor and a friend. To Kokola, no, Tatalafma. Blombe. Nicho Evayi. Because I don't feel my and ye Roji Wanare, some of which so that do she wanare like that's some Japan. Which are Kutukopola, who is Professor John Evans Fifi Atta Mills G. Ni bong le fianya ba mama ba Ghana abu du koprola Ghana re ye bu du koprola ya ye bu ya hon wala ye hela ye bu ye hon wala ye hela America boy $1 America boy $2 yenye Mills da miawe du koprola buna ya yela a humble ye bunai. All right, mia azorengo akbo nyarita hara yuketso. All right, values of Atta Mills continue to shape my leadership, President Mahama. Values of Atta Mills continues. No. There should be values. Values of Atta Mills continue to shape my leadership. Yeah. President Mahama. That's what the president should be saying. Values of Atta Mills continue to shape my leadership. Bana Boglombe. Like Firamagba to Koklola John Dramani Mahama Boglombe. New York Atta Mills Lerashi Virgin. Alors New York Young Hoshio Yokaji Atta Mills Hosse. The Ogbe no ya not to higher Hosse. Values. You know the words here also say the sociology of values of a people are the things they hold highly onto, or they hold highly onto. Values. We have norms, we have values, we have ethics, we have customs, we have traditions. So values are the value, no, if you are Ghana, I mean, if you are now, I know 10 pesos, I don't know, I have a value. I can 100 cities, I just Jesus, Holy Ghost. I have to forget to move value, but New York, Atta Mills Bobo, Yambafa, Onaya, Nea, ye Kenyan Wabana, Atta Mills for leadership. I'm none of your government. I like Atta Mills, like what a mother, Kenyan father for all. And my father, Atta Mills, Asumjue, Nchifafa. Ya Mahama, I make a mentor, I make a boy, Bale do what do I do no, make a boy, Belela, Yenya Mills. Neju Mills, Mankago. Jigbody, and the Mills. Mills man dago Mills, but you kumano a general Gugaglagbo. In your values. All of them may judge a Shimon Square. Talk without your nonsense. Bo, Shang, Bo, Aleko, Bo, Mount Tata, name the leadership class, allo, a leadership, political leadership class. Nobody bomb me a president. What are his qualities? You should be able to come up with some of them. But I am wrong. All right. Dispatch may mile. Me I like not target afford it. Me bonano la afford the na balama cha. KGL Partners Ghana Medical Trust Fund to build modern diagnostic center. KGL Partners Ghana Medical Trust Fund to build modern diagnostics first. That were Chacha that the offer Zu do pe ke nye gakabi butu gare ko kudare no ko no nya ko la masanya jikpo me wo galo si de KGL galo si chacha lotu oba yo ga modang do ko gare tu go ko no nya ko fu do po anu nya pa la mo anu mo check na ni la tu ma ba mo lo ya. Right, Otumfo commends IGP Special Operations Team in action. Otumfo were, hey, IGP Ejagba Oga Lama Bubu Rasha Tintoma. You know, I hope one of the papers will talk about that. Lama Bubu Pamanya, Otumfo, hi, IGP Ejagba. Jelly Bana. Gideon Baku questions government's revenue performance, cites 6 billion Ghana cedi tax shortfall. Gideon Baku questions government's revenue performance, cites 6 billion Ghana cedi tax shortfall. Oh, okay. MP Odomatora Kai Kankonya Dr. Gideon Baku Ele MPP Bajiwe Yomako Disabaji Antefom Ajogayo Yoboho 6 billion bebelo wala mama be akaka sewa ko gbogbo robust economic prudent economic you gbaro yo ma position ta wo ma akuya do ko mo ale ko cha ko ajo gale ko be chuchu moto mo ga 6 billion bebelo ye dola ga aka yo nyebe manye mpopo gare ke show manye target gare ke le show ala on to gbe ho MPP towe na yofu ba do sana ko mga sa kata jure kamu wa wuto a plare ga ho chi tanya choka chi Dr. Gideon Yegonyama Dr. Gideon Buaku. Okay, it's Buaku, all right. Adamus crowned champions of 2026 Intermine First Aid and Safety Competition. Adamus crowned champions of 2026 Intermine First Aid and Safety Competition. So, Adamus do le bal shikaku do ko ho blade keji over odampu alek ure kafra akfoku do zapata bele tak pokponen make le do pa fi yi konji to wo o kidampu do ka le do ko katanchi kafla lo na ba le to ko boya banya fuji alo pedi di toji fo va zo fo jira mare alo mo do biro do ngina me gbe po lo mare pleto alo jobi do pe alo tu kradi boya la va mare nka wo gola do paro no civil o sha do la we do wo paro no civil do no ti pola ji o la ma o le fetu baba mo li mo to po do mo na joka ba ko chi go o chi la gano fi atutu chi ka ko o da shiwi ar tu pala mono atutu e tapano to ka fi on do fu ma puli con people ne to ko ba na de ko ati ado ba ro e na le chi mo pre chi ma free o nya ba to ko ma da o da o bi wona ra to ma bo alan pure mining company ko first aid nine kwa ko job ya patari ndi nya ta wala do ba mi ya ta job ya ba adidi ko ja ya glo na li ko bla bo na ko na ta to do ba ro do occupational hazard do ba share play lo ku hewe do ba le ya o glass jam na le do ma ko ya ba fokpa tango jo na no fo na le moment giraffe a be petrol station nya you na do for pagulu boku atai me gbe ko so for jinu agora mo kata check the poverty do ka mi o dara tia los bona ya jora ma ya all right, that's fine. Workers raise red flag over alleged Valco sale. vowed to protect Jos. Ta va podoramo to flagara shi bromolologo nga molologo mara kama ga jirbapo jiru dopo nyana jiru dopo nyana norma tegbe abano jide okishmara ta go fire. Parents who send children abroad too early to study don't laugh them, speak back. Parents who send children abroad too early to study don't laugh them back. Kings for Sumana Bagbe, yeah, for so takbeha. Oh, Simanola, Alugana Cataglu, for so takbe ham for Simanola, Lungfulaga. Kings for Bagby Bomber. She I also you come to wash it, motor, wood, arrow, potato, communation. Monoredia. A G. Yana Anubo, I just show me. I am Mabako or Yaravade Yashi Navason, Castle Puri. I love you. Makebunyama. Kingsford, Suman, Na, Yo, John Najim, Tony McBoyle, Miabon, to be shy. All right, the National Enquirer. KGL GMT, a partner to build ultramodern diagnostic center for regional hospital. Right, Nimi Bomba, Chacha Dova, Juka Chacha Dova, the Cacha of the Copper Ga, Butu, Waji Board of a guy, you can bomb a Palamasian, you got Conji, I'm a Lamadudu Bo, Budu Bo, who I better G, Suma, Kudo for place or more, to low moro, one of a rich. All right, Parliamentary Committee hails MPA's regulatory performance. Parliamentary Committee hails MPA's regulatory performance. MPA, the National Petroleum Authority, over Jirupa Doveka Bona Petroleum Yaoji, over Dakban National Petroleum Authority, Tobo Tapom, over Eduji Tabo Pluma Asmara. All right, congratulations, Dr. Julius Debra. Okay, you have a chief of staff as Dr. But if you are Dr. Julius Debra, Doctor in Museum and Heritage Studies, Doctor in Museum, and Wokyo Jaro na Mojaka Chadi. Le Beranyao for Doctor. Fantiakwa South NDC in turmoil over murder. Ramle Fantiakwa Antomo, NDC do Yoka, the Fantiakwa Antomo, Otoba Gabu Afakota, Mononogo Samapno. Attorney General Drax, former general manager of NN East MND Metals Company to court. Hey, Attorney General Obo to NNS MND Metals Company. We put them aside. All right, boosting specialist healthcare, life care technology donates advanced medical equipment to GMTF worth 5 million. All right, over life care technology, on Ghana Medical Trust Fund, which is worth 5 million. All right. Mia Akbo Omo Varako, Mia So the Daily Satellite. 80% of Ghana's school children have experience with drugs, claims survey. 80% of Ghana's school children have experience with drugs, claims survey. Over school young Benny Shani La Wosha Woma, O Kara Amachivon, Plahaswon, Amachi Bavon, Plahavon, I'm shocked too. All right, controversy over Apostle Kwejo Safo's burial as family heads to court over will. Over comme ma régime. Apostle ça faut que soit même pour un via au monde on commence à comme là. Mais que apostle ça faut te pour nous lecter que sinon mon mago domi e ga sonya ta apostle ça faut e ga le fridge man ga le gem e fio ga ina court ala ba o manya nka tutu la darai alo commence à se mal mi o ko la dari ma ba no original kumo all this kind of Ghana Supreme Court marks 150 years as judicial service suspends Greater Accra Court sittings for historic anniversary celebration. All right, the Supreme Court, Ghana Supreme Court, Ghana for quota for Palo Faraka, Blaton, Ramata, Umani Nombre Yanapecho, Dodromaji Macmo, Manyanavio, 150 years. Congratulations. Want to be exempt bank crowd moves toward possible plea deal as stable and defense advanced negotiations. Okay, want to know Nyalefia over Nyayo currency the Garoba for Exim Bank, but over the world. Doma, you now broke a circle. I think you're going to say by your trainer, your Kataya. Doma, you never Kagola, Wakafalu, you know what I mean. Right, the baseball bench shows compassion towards. The base movement shows compassion to churches affected by flood. All right, the base movement for Folama, yeah, base movement over near to over you the lot of Yamrook achieved into our woman. Okay, never follow. Mahudu to be at the Namatrova Mia Azore. Okay, just a quick one. Even Africa Today, Africa Today, just a quick one. If you have Africa Today, just a quick one. Nana Lafima Miakura, Chief Dr. Doliwura Zakaria honors Amenfi Central MP for exceptional support at historic book launch. Shabantin Dutrogbe pledges humble service in Volta Regional Secretary bid. Okay, the Kajima Kwame Shabantin, Bono Chai Areazu. Emmanuel Ababio wanted by Iyoko over alleged false pretenses. The gold deal, the missing 11.2 kg and 330,000 trial. The Kajima Kwame Banao Tadefma Ojim Yoko Jirupa Dope Kakona Majuju to America Nona Jiru Dopa Gown for the Christopher Gown Macbeth over Yojim Eva Kabato. All right. Top NDC members accused of Galamsey and killing sacred fish in river at Jini. President Mahama elects top NDC members accused of Galamsey and killing sacred fish in river at Jini. Mahama oba yoto klanamo no toji to togana seba wo domaga oklo wo plan yo kala. Jini togbo wo akpa tohearu alakpa kokwaru la tome alabo Galamsey won mu Galamsey won lo Jini. Ibrahim Mahama fights back as Valco workers denies Valco acquisition bid. Nyama gbomulo Corporal Oche Ibrahim Mahama be apula Valco malamo Ibrahim attention to me dollar mo yokala Valco man yankoyo mbe map Valco. Please don't spoil me. Mensing Gold relocates at risk. Bibiani residents announces MC Sebastian Obey. Sebastian Obey in Kenya Bibiani Topwell District Chief Municipal Chief Executive Banker Mensing Gold relocates at risk Bibiani residents. Please go me after all right, last one. Mia Makpakwa Ikanya Elikam Chamopo Alabonia the Granati Filai Alaba Mia Ajo Naome da ma ako paper mamleto le fia. Kenya in the Ghanaian Times. ICU kicks against proposed sale of Valco. Petitions president to halt process. Cultivate nation builders to solve societal challenges. Alex Moore challenges varsities. Strengthening maternal care key to reducing disabilities. 2 Ghanaians killed in renewed xenophobia attacks in South Africa. Foreign Affairs Minister Adamus Resources wins 2026 Intermine Safety Quiz. And Africa must benefit from its minerals. All right, Tagbala mo la fama mi blogger funka e telinya nyam joju le fia nyaba Obo Ghana Bioma Varel, South Africa. Hello, Oga and Ram the Ghana Viochi. Okuja to a black by Ghana Vieva Gaplo, South Africa. South Africa to Gawanya the Ghana Vievo Oku. Ow. Cultivate nation builders to solve societal challenges Alex Mode. Strengthening maternal care to lead to reducing disability. Dr. Agusu Bablombe, Nama Fufu Koji, no love currency, minor Raji General. All right, Napon Kola. Mahodumitu, Alabama Trova, Nia Asora, Tony McBoy, Nia Flow, Egba, Nia Macbo, the Hawk Chronicle, Tanami, Vania Kora. All right.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view canola basic level. And you know Americanola SHS. And you know Americanola University. Allo the language you. Then you make my never by few. I be a strong but the no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a Jamaican and never the module rapport. And I be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile was so mad than a player. At place order le Amazon. Allo number can I call screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also but if you see la ya call no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you Tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact NiveAJ Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne Chobie 9 Junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo 2222 afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is that? Go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put. Tanya too much toy. When you want to pull a killer.
Oh,
the mother from the mother too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that is not Abraham. If you are a kind of lay, I party to point for boy hour. But the husband did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Furama. Well, a party for Yapocatara.
When not to go,
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica that is the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busielo, wait off here.
Mai vola tobo. Ye man no Chicago. Mokbong jaja.
Vola chika no plum. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furagana. Mashama nothing.
Miapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola picky.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola nina nemi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola efi valo akululi le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achi de padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti ma kolono ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Baka afima na kodo wotu akame wa ofuto wofuka ome ofuka ma tutu dokada vola eba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fiomo
Nane mano monsieur eye na mezwale de konakwanya moda menye de mefion yo ayaye bomlo de konakwanya moda menye de mechio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo amenda evi na holon ode amenda evi na holon ode Ame mano a monsieur Eye na menswale. Menye de me fion yo. Ayaye bomlo. Ayaye bomlo. De kona kwanye moda. Menye de me kio. Ayaye womlo. Ayakwe womlo.
Bring back your friends your night. And you play some of war in your one of the top fire. That I said, and who in my honorable wisdom. Very cool, you never let it go. And take care of my guy, show you for it. Hey, as you have me, Dovas, when I'm selling me a shazon. I'll be a doyo as on your personal as on your super to Kosaki by my cabado theater. And I be Nicky Havi Kaka. Mautami ni po nyasi anya bota to egbe koyekwa baka no nyakpo esi ayire TV daba jidu do we wasu do kusito ni to fe tesna nkido daba ba sumudi siba na odora na merekwa all right so you are let you worry yo me football Nyado le nyabo pia nya chocha kata ni ya tona nya kaya nyataka kaka to ya bo bang to ubo dagadra ani church da fi kemiro na kuina 1 million na ya 1.3 dane be ai 100 Ghana as 130 manya nya ma to ikeni nya granya kami da sha mama chi maji be na to ko mo kawe nya jojoro do don cha nya kora kaba Daily guide. HEPA Plus commits $3,000 to herbal medicine research. Yo over got the America Babajam also shown to Dr. Better than $3,000. One crop project SCDH FM High Court ruling. Okay, over the one crop Supreme Court man. The High Court. No, we are not too sure about those cases. Exit bank case. Won't to me get more time for plea bargain deal? Won't to me a court shop? No, we should go into a plea bargain. Attorneys are very over to plea bargain. Attach charge we are. So that's it. This man is still in trouble, and we leave that. 2 cast workers convicted for forgery. Comfort not teaching hospital to talk with dog, your mobile over Adamus Crown intermine peace competitions best. All right, so we leave that one quickly. Miyako Business and Financial Times that private capital holds key to next growth chapter. Private capital holds key to next growth chapter. KPMG Kenya accountament to do for down the motor that you can have moment of the motor that will as you were fishing more a book at Hakochash that would do not know fishing more. Mamma mia, African Achievers Awards honor LC Apaplo. Oh wow, beautiful. LC Apaplo. He gave a lawyer, saying a lawyer, like Kaka UK or WG, Africa. LC. LC Apaplo. LC near lawyer, technical advisor to the GRA boss. Ghana Revenue Authority over that. But you're under fire. And you're under fire. Let's leave that. Congratulations, LC Apaplo, on your winning of the African Achievers. Why we personally? All right, government powers 8.8 billion trade surplus in 1826. 18 gold government gold powers 8.8 billion trade surplus. All right, that's fine. First half, that's first half of 2026. Now Shikashi Chatanamiga 8.8 billion. She like waiting back to at the moment. Right, so these are some of the things we have. Honorable, let's just start on chapter 9.
Yo, I bet that magic of Mama from Chofo be there. Even though
me for a topic me of banner and I wrote the term me or recommend you.
Okay, that it happened to me.
Play bargain.
Yeah, play bargain. I think the here pay AGR, after what position mala, and no bobo here recover line pay priority. Call be me a land or me a sentence, so I call the prison. Wabano me a pay gadu, over property, one way, if you want to enjoy ka government abandon pardon, whoever, no see, ever no G, who enjoy. Ebe melenuma but I just recover. I recover Gagba. Let me call what developmental project we have in Okahia waka punish way. In a way he has served as deterrent la. Wow, that me have me believe idea ma. Let's suma will cover. There over the years I mean bonuma that plea bargain here. Me say the afterward sentence here ya crash initiate na nebe only of plea bargain there akegbe. Maybe yes, a deputy agent ble. They are not about the other guys wella accomplish my wella. You are coming for plea bargain. Ya me you more. Kake yala egbe metibia wo plea bargain no metibia lose ever set na neko. So at the end of the day, ejebe you are one yene. And the bobe the Ezen bank issue chala plea bargain many bank
you. No, the boblombe wo plea bargain akunta per summer boy per mining concession.
Yes.
Now you have na call shika shika in a queen amare. Ko garam se won. Nka ye plea bargain en yama.
Yes, so egbobe course have ogede na ayuba. And at the time hey chija crachala flood la ever le community samra boy community of it ono bobebo epe activities wele forest ma ya na tabe echiva ho you major bo chane hem to ho no to ho gade we de egamawa ton agbo reclaim tefa akojira tefa no I will find the community wa benefit to egamamela aton tuna no the manyo developmental project do ayi the community mame say at least we are no okay and no ho wole mi agbo a video ke mi ache mi photo make alole ta at least opportunity le take na bene play age for the over video la pe and global yes plea bargain option no available take they decide do you ready for plea bargain and even the Ezen bank is me afa age ka gbelebe hey you call for plea bargain la enu ke ho present la you reject it. The alternative or option ke here present the ya idibia cover as plea bargain you reject it because you probably less sufficient to that maybe who can get them who bene no kabawea maybe we come up with an enhanced proper because man if maybe I lose and no formula yeah maybe I lose maybe hanging on there at a point government that pardon here hello okay let me cry no sentence you cry maybe 4 years maybe 4 years then NPP government bala maybe probably no because and look at Tamil yes
that kind of form of offense add that she had bunch or for 2 years over 5 years Akufo so for Akufo 15 years maximum that what MPP don't no 25 years maximum 15 years minimum so mark them one for 5 years so and you're going to say,
no, but the pardon your presidential pardon anyway. Then the president ever even though now 50 years. One but 1 year is of good conduct, but on the presidential pardon. Allow me one go if la memele koko tutu. That was presidential pardon at government.
Even make pardon.
No, maybe maybe go valley ever help fellow deteriorating and no approach to President Mahama at all pardon. Alone about Miava. Maybe probably any benefit party.
Oh, yeah, power.
Football. Instead of they lose so many assets, property they lose here. look at joy my manage 4 years with the hope be about me a win la kemi first no ever ko first in gola o pardon here kemi ka have the see there that made be away ma but then at the end of the day no ko jebe de ni afete mi nyabo na ho now a public position there alone now tepe there o ma zen de akọ abuse amebubu no now nana it's for the benazen for the good of Ghana towe when you the company yo hoga so many millions they are called project there a local na be na call project there for to come a view over new nota yeah call half of that call a treasury bill from a vowel they call half of the money call a treasury bill yeah the interest yield now yeah the other cases are a call insurance company meanwhile a whole new ya be the yeah call now be na call project for the good of the community. Tanahia Moka coming in Haka different is it not stupidity? Excuse my words. Is it not stupidity? Yes, because Oko Ganawe, Obe Ona Koko Road, Oko Ganawe, when I was this project, yeah, I call a treasure bill. Treasure bill, my interest yield now. You are not paying back the money. Aside that, I can call the cover.
Investigate why.
Why? Yes, because even at a point, some of the documents were who present, you know, there's a bank in the loan were forged documents. After the whole investigation, at a point, a product untouchable. Then I made come out on another KO, and so look at J1, Yawole. But how made a mellow way self? Let her say the Akloe, I will give her untouchable with the Nuku. Handcuff no, a whole chama want to me. LMA. So, Noko, Eka serve as less than any of them. Yes, every woman. Maybe a football, if a government tell a power. So I'm going to come out on an Akayo. The car in this country that display gold bars where the TV no gold bars where there no border in the correct code, to come and view it.
I bet $1 million
a day. Because of their activities or so for me, I think yes, already element hotel play back the Nova. I think the recover as a bank a gamma. No, me recover as a bank a gamma. So any other I think that's the way to go.
You see, the problem is the rich, the powerful and the influential. Because you know, though I'm a untouchability because no China to popular to cycle anyhow you jam about the Cassia Monty and young one and young yes sure. You see, I owe the one to me prison. I work at a band of to me right now. Some to do one of the church. Church Homelay, Sama. That will do Elohim Rafika. Bianco, what was the bottom of Ramon? Even that out did a VIP. Fear of my double bunker bed, all of mine, running by Monty, Mamma, fun left my TV left my connected to DFT.
Okay.
The only difference when you I'm a journalist. When journalists are talking,
all right, so that's
we have not as a information about a Hofia saw because I'm a journalist. Another person will know how.
Sure.
And the only problem I've got no chilaga or kata abelimino sino has go what out on kata that's the only thing. So we have to look at this. Ayo la manka ba unyakla yepa boy so when you view kuva koya fuma kuva dogwe better aka pade you come to me touching Dr. Paul Grave watching Dankwa and your lecturer. You see, this is why I'm a journalist. Paul Grave in your colleague on school.
Okay.
You got me on University of Ghana Debate Society. Nento Alagbo, Kenya Kabila,
okay.
Bernard Avle,
okay.
That crop of people.
Yeah.
So we talk among ourselves. Every yeah, you say okay, government, and be forgiveness from Muhammad.
Yeah.
So yeah, forgive Donia, which I cross-checked again. But yeah, forgiveness. So let's look at that. Yeah, ne amatron jimebe. Still no Donia. I don't know, I never heard for. You know that play because I'm in the Domosa. You know what I mean? Anyway, you can leave that.
Yeah, so I think that's fine, but ena damoza me fia be enuke ho wa ameke to ho wa feta be wu ame ya o na
Gana of
ta
abofi gbon la kuma.
Yeah, sure. They actually let's say and ekede egbobe ekpodo can touchable. And the strategy if you are over ame ya hilemedi. The word about the other look where ya o crash o mele so loud. Na be ya no. This news Attorney General no blogo about 20 cases all ready. In the coming days la me akakpo arrest do plito wa no ji basa. And so minister so be sami e ku plito vete o le me enele de do plito vete da egbobe afenuma ke nya no enya ya na tabe the last meeting the parliament la eno gbogbo be NDC to if police or whole line up then you are prosecuted with it. No careful. That if you enya you see that administration a lot happened. And look get the OEG who jebe de mi hom nya fe gawe na me to who wa punish yourself as differently. You see that is why I'm vote for who na NDC la. It's because of nu ya o gedelu. Ni po be rot e ba subo. Wa ba doga gbogbo be ni ko wa do ma ba wa do wa duga. E ga wa do ko na wuntumi a. Ya ke wuntumi ba petrol bill. Plega ya ko susu e ko ba for insurance company. Na me be okay eco insurance can ever win plan we tanu ma ho ma ho la mewu ho be ne ko gama ba construct moma ya me ba ko moma la mewu esi ayide e ka mi an do e ko ga ba employer ba do company employer private own private initiative private business pele mo he wa wo na bele ge nye fe mo ko ide cho mi ape mo cho so ko de ko ide pepe ele so bad family crying for 8 years be no we na mi o mewo ya ko gan Tony aloko gana merebene ba wo mona mi kwa ya ba ko do insurance company ya mi ame ma hele mo ma jimi le fupa mi anu be wo ko do insurance company plan mo eta mi ame ape fupa pe ami continue diga mi enyama ogle o sele ta for me na mi ho wo no bu that deserve kwa let me punish it I serve as veteran.
All right that is it bolonka gramile mi nya yo mo fiare mi do fiane won't to know nyache over won't to meet the Dr. Holgrave watching down by a former government spokesperson on energy. He played a lecturer at UPS. All right. Watching that Guagano so okay. Yeah. So for missionary Murumana, Banobu. I figure Bobo never position of the 1 year days. All right. So those are the issues that if you at the cuckoo, at the popular no no that change no like no boom line like clemency ADB so that's a big topic and I want your comments on that and we might for the same
so no ejebe mi demo now ekuku de be ide kuku be president ene padinia no da for the president one allo the president ya ile dem one
appeal for you the kuku na night he has a presidential pardon he has the power to pardon
ya fan ke ho ona within 3 days go what pardon
if you the kuku ade don't go strategy na the kuku don't go ko kana ka mo suba wo amnesty because amnesty international hold madana government amnesty international den ka kare ko darin well amnesty bama o buna tamacho ashide de amoyo ko demo to prisoners of conscience me go ya go say me ya me prisoner of conscience o kaka minyange ba menye NDC the me fashitua want to me do ka powerful no ga no emu TV so we know that though he's a criminal the the teeth of the law to grind is more embedded in the fact that government changes. So that you kuku, that have application no corona, they know that job a paro, you never paro, Americans have a paro, no boom blind eye. Next Karogia, maybe this year, next year, behind the flamalo.
Okay. Gake Emma Kobe, yes, and go the appeal to President Bear, no 1 year. Gake at the end of the day, a CSA a CMA in 20 years with hard labor. May offend President to that. No about what Ghana to have a susubo, have a president behind. Alwele megbe, aluya natabe, odi monabeleke minority ole bunena. Kemini abalus New Year cry. Kemi apetemi abano that appeal abano empathy ma no eke brebe criminal offense here yes the number of years only at least say ourselves the mercy bro mi apetemi abano and okay said in that time ko chele fima neja appeal fifie
said in ali
ele
mi o le mi apa mo ma
said
na ha ya down
abawu tumi kra dogo ele fima ho yi aba me MPP o yi aba o dogo said na chele bobe abele mi brebe abe one for yando be yo po e said na ta me ko chele sa wa ta ele
nyama ji video ma ko journalist
be ne me le ode be MPP to confirm be ya chele ko akemi e be bo dogo ya for yando be yo dogo ya ke bleta for me maybe ya cha no appeal yes ta e ke mi a pardon yala e my discretion the president gake election be even before I do ma accept some number of look at the way and not only a criteria don't they want meet you have a president that pardon way yes there a lot of good conduct split away maybe open la mail like blank split away e ma o get the new dolly than ho do fuma ho nya be president and pardon maybe the president at over me pardon ta ga ke fifie ke a whole your fifie ala ele too early ele too early
ba fuma ne ya gari ko mu kokoko one touch.
Kumuako.
One touch. I ain't aware of Mako. Echo.
Situation to allow you may. Yes. So that for now, electorally, Gake, it's a right to benefit appeal to the president because on your boy, could you make it here at all? And a pardon matter.
Black Rasta, but won't to me aware of Maro, Bobona, Donag, Banama Shaman. I'm looking at prison of your Wakata, prison officers of Kata, the Yukata. You see, so that is see me, you can trust me, the county and if you can trust me for feel or not, I tell you everything. Then me go Fiarca for Greva, that you for Greva the show. Trust me. Do Boboruki, Koroki contact Tuturam. Okay. Who 7 you Mawa, Mawatona. Medo as a hammer for over my road, which mean of Babie, then I got Boreji. All right, me messages of Bob Bagage on your Facebook 0242670773 and your messages you get Nyatato arrow message 0242670773. I'll Nyatato WhatsApp Jiha quickly. Mary Holanyo Nyakosem Tradenta, but keep it up. Big ups. Mary Wama supporter Akbano. It's like Jumba. The MPP is a political party. As a political party is not interested in nation building due to some evil forces and Satan company taking over the party. That's why it's no longer attractive to Ghanaians. Sly. Greater Accra. Nyakosem to Greater Accra. So I think, sorry, the remainder of the message is truncated. But I want evidence that Mr. Afuma Misonia. All right, me, I'm going to message at your domain. You won't call Pomulo. Agbe, Ndinami, Abaniba TV. Agbe, Ndinami, Abaniba TV. I admire how you handle hot topics like this without shouting. Keep it up, sir, from domain. All right, thank you. Look, you might message you on contact one room coram but you might put messages already the screen again. Okay, so thank you for your message. I mean, I you like I like me I follow do like you. But
Charlie will trend. All right, me up message I got your part, but okay, this is slide. Slide your message was truncated, and this one was it? No. Okay, matter of it. Okay, yeah. My people. Okay. Part of message you have my people. For grave speaking for one to me be it's like PR move to me. I know by part. All right, thank you for me. Part some to succor the John do message down your plow. John do message down your plow. Good morning, Johnny. God bless you for bringing truth. The president should consider mercy, but also send strong message. Watching live from above. Johnny, man. Thank you for your message. Okay, so get the messages coming 0242670773. It takes you some time to process the message. So please message it over cover. But I think we should be moving forward. Insight. 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 But when I be around program, I call Wushong, Archbishop of Canterbury, Ghana. Over do what you are saying, Church Ghana. Okay, we'll show you that. I was so surprised. Archbishop is like the Pope, the English Catholic Pope. Over the sentiment, the thing happened. All right. You touch Ken at your own peril. The base movement won't. Newly formed political grassroots organization and pressure group, the base movement, which is an offshoot of the opposition New Patriotic Party, has dared the latter to do its worst by either expelling Kennedy Agyapong from the party or imposing any form of sanctions as punishment or his utterances. According to the movement, it will excite them to use the MPP. It will excite them to see the MPP have testicular fortitude to take action on Kennedy Agyapong, who recently contested for the MPP's presidential ticket but lost. Right, so that's what we have from the inside. The base, the Kushi, Dunyagbola, Ryoga, Dugura, show MPP, Amaro, MPP, you buy now, you say, back on Dola, Dola, Malo, Aloche, MPP, Aloche, Yaro, Yoba. Namarabe, Nana Bonato. But Obu Roshi, you know, Pachama, Alo, you Dora, Nana Bonato. The base door in Yago, Yaman, MPP, Ablakwa urges Nigeria to probe attacks on Sam Jones investment. All right, over Ablakwa. Kanye Domoga economy catches a probe to fall when you go from Nigeria to Roland to the Anyaka over to some Jonah company, Jonah investment. Yeah. So Ghana's Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Kujetu Ablakwa has urged Nigeria to investigate circumstances surrounding alleged attacks on properties belonging to Ghanaian business. Margot said Sam Jonah in their country is about to make the call when they received letters of credence from Nigeria's High Commissioner designate to Ghana, Shehu Bade. All right. So I think this is one thing you have. Adamus Crown, all right, yeah. Africa's mineral boom must not be another resource curse. Mida CEO. Africa Coalition for Academic Freedom demands immediate release of detained university lecturers. Freedom in Tanzania. 2026 Play Joe Festival, Nungwa Mancha visits ancestral burial ground to perform rites and seek blessings. So again, Tom Panyaro all right, honorable. Two, don't touch Ken. I give a point of Ken the base. I don't like.
Nukuma ma chwevi kake desan nyadechelia ujebeni ma chipping pobe elefude in the Volta region. Basically because they find the situation my happy waseme about me ambulance issue in the region. So far out of the 18 ambulances who are regional, it's about 10 years mele do wow. The emergency they job within the week. No ambulance to them, but I never hope. That will have pick, don't know, call it Accra. Because all the other nuclear get a loud breakdown.
The overpeak you go here.
Overpeak you call it,
but don't know like that.
I don't know, I hope by another. Most of the ambulances were. They barracks, say the barracks for mama. If I make belly from the pack, most of them will let ma, all grounded, but to don't go. You have a culture of maintenance, they call it. Ever a new army called look call the ambulance within ambulance, you have made a 10 years joke over to like the next year. Actually, Gemme was Nyaka a ga, Akakuba, the new way. Meanwhile, a gamma, Lamia service, say how me and all maintain. Why are we doing this to ourselves? So for me, the appeal is for many of the authorities who look at it and make sure many of these ambulances well.
Okay.
Yeah, so
authorities are not seen silent and maybe Bakunia, but maintenance department, Ghana Hotel.
It's appeal million, so we are hoping that it's fixed because it's a challenge. Now, I'm not top.
Many as a politician, you can attack Bolocho, Lafayette. But this is my point about MPP. At Tanya Jono, never our MP, never our politics, propaganda, actually, no power MPP, Malakaka, a journal, party the charity show. I need to have to shut each other, Mahama, prefer was on Chibu, Yamava, you right. I go no Thanksgiving service woman, Kena, I know why, enough ma, Mimanyana, dollars or about join a was Manga film, you know, so any week, Jonada, me never that making me a honestly. Political parties with it. That's why Michelle Pacha and Apple Bonnet Pacha was secretary. I will try to choose a politician.
Yes,
I will bet Galamashi alone.
I did Bobone Pacha, a set perfect. Kake, Eke Yamereche, wa funu, alohe ejimajo wa ada for the day. Ya ne ho fo be party e fe dodo kuri to a amedo umelejizo.
Yenya meka.
Amedo
amenya meka.
No, be babia ke he bia. Imele look into any party.
Is rhetoric. Like, who are you? The party has a leadership. You have a chairman, you have a general secretary. So, I'm a moment you go through the democratic process of changing them. Yes. So, why do you make noise about your party on media?
So democratic process, they were changing. Fine, but I'm also may have the right to use or whatever. No, so they can say whatever. And then of the day, matter hate America. Maybe worse way. I know whatever hey party hey work for. I know things that they feel well. You may want you know because at a point I may never have evidence. Bella 2020 elections in Ghana and no rig in favor of MPP. Over big risk all block. At times can be Japan when hey agbora. Even this oral report actually means most of the tips actually is from the NPP. Young Topper Mewele evidence open tips on. So for I think in the democratic process yala, and we are good. I feel adojiku, I feel aggrieved, only at least it also helps. That's another process. I have a building alone democracy building. But at the end of the day, I just have to tell a certain million. That nehina nehejo he ejime alomele omedoji jodenwa to CAG na make ojobe na report na the disciplinary committee whoever here make sure o troll e mo magic football menu be wa to afomu nueji here no ha make sure be no id nu alo wa follow party e fe dudu a ne o che e mo le na we then I was there can ho me we ya no pete over yi against we a me besoin ya bala mo tete de America ma to expel America no what to expel na de kemelo wa fu ayo you can't do anything me say o expel amole party o me obe o expel amobo the kemi party ya no kwa gba party era kake party e me gba o me ka le wa ele e win e ka win power e ka win election ta me de ka fe u se ma de me se politics maybe se quality obe o
manya bia mo baba ka gbo
me le ndc cha mo do
mi nyam le ndc baba
me de ndc che de amodo o ba form o fe party yes at the point ame ya o ba join obeda samuel fe campa yes o do le party me
ndc
yes even at the point after election we to hin over o ka gbo ko wa officially that no ka gbo wo look we integrate we ka officially o ka ho into membership ta ele kake ho jode amojode party e win power wa e win power ta o de ka fe nu ya ma wona
we should stop that. You see, the more you do that,
they na nele gbegble he no correct me o ya za appropriate channel
me no agrade me no asempa fm sem o interview la do na e ya mi letter e do e ya letter Dennis Miracles. Dennis was speaking political science. Akobe Dennis a etesuku ena okunto ken nchibere ken mata pe wo NPP na mado mo do NPP komanyi ode manyi no ya ken na batu ken met the party agbago ken kojikwa who made to me mata na undudu you understand make ma share alo mata kojio but don't know this kind of we have to stop this bragging. See, listen to me.
But we don't care. We don't
care. That is how if you are not good, if you have a psychological problem, get out from politics.
That is how it is.
See,
yes,
want to maybe $1 million come every day. I said about $1 million. And want to me is the chairman of Ashanti. It's Ashanti Goma. And your constituency in the Ashanti region. Enya district in the Ashanti region, or double to voter region to by 2. Listen, no election, nanya Volta versus Ashanti. Volta are no opposition, madam.
Oh yes,
oh yes. Nanya Ghana, near Volta and Ashanti region. Yea, it is wrong to assume that way, but analysis for me, so ceteris paribus, all other things equal. No, never Ghana kwenye Ashanti. La vota, you will meshama la vota and no indis. Yeah, meshama la Ashanti and you be honest.
Oh yes, so no, but
so Noba chairman of Ashanti. I'm not going to say more. Chobere, Noba Ashanti chairman. As a player Savannah chairman. As a voter chairman. No. One year player want to me. I'm going to have on your back when you see 1 year Ghana. I am going to say no be NPP. One yama do no maga go and kushon no to ya to do no I go say me you see so me this guy was so powerful that braggart of that nature elen sound akosi atoni ba adengme ni nka concept ni ka nya fu na do nyo pam na ni fufu ni ba attention na kloro oh, you could do Robert Bokos, Saturday, Shallow, Mawaro, Anigba, all this kind of video, Mary.
A Domaton that door, maybe a Domaton at Bobomaton at the federal and the best of the African look at the box at the Kamaluzo. He was not Bobono, like Doa. Oh, the box in me. Call over no, you know, the car went to mine. I can't do the federal, maybe for Bobbit. At least as part of Nukelami Hona. And no matter Gisevi. Then I made you know who bled to now they can knock out a man. I get the ring and I couldn't say so that is it. That jurisdiction only.
That block postman because near church born and mama. Judge you be a parent mumia, Homenia, and I go as a man. Judge ben mi va au plea bargain, peut to ka ken ko ko dra je gloto. Ma tu to ra grada jo. Ese come dare. You owe me, and you know you have the court for. No la mare very see. Court are mado nyare ke pa mare. There's no court has problem with you. Judge are mado nyare ke pluro. Amade babroga no lo. Ala ba brana na community kenya sama boy to. Wo broga ba gbana yo mo the director for chiva de yo. Miss news made flooding in summer boy. We are journalists. We have talked about these things. But my connection are former. I'm not getting a connection. I'm Mado blogger, I'm a blogger, the LA in a doy, bon, I'm a Mike Konya via. You know, problem. Many a koto. Ka abobo kill my lord. Adashima my lord. Makuma to go court premises day. I'll let go. Imagine Puma Puma diagram. Babako Imoa, show you communal and your president. You may never in a court of uncle, you know, return for a lemon pond. 11 a.m. the blog post page already. So I started to by verified bloggers are open check them, and it was true. Yeah, sure. So please, won't can Mark Boy Minafma Bell and touchable is a lie. It's a lie. Nana Rudan Kramas former president.
Yeah, so,
you understand?
No, but
as another gomalu.
Sure. But can be untouchable, maybe many be untouchable as in Ghana fair stability alone Ghana fair like, but maybe in their party. Maybe
he is touchable in the party.
Yeah, football. Yeah, America maton to never America party.
I'm saying he is touchable in the party.
At the end of the day, yeah, maybe I just been another day. I'm over him.
JJ Krala, your NDC are in Kole.
Even at the point, JJ don't for crash against the NDC. Allow me to be no one of the and anti-party behavior. Or at least NDC make your head carry power. So for me, and when you're I'm a den of these two parties ready. America ever better do lemon mark by party. Nemenyesi body ne ameya hodo le NDC me gbede gozitano obeda samwa minyale ke obeda samwa le NDC me amofu ba new NDC anda obeda samwa pete opete amegede oyibe kakame pawo no MPP he Alan he dori no gba MPP a no make bell and at least gbede ka ya che waton akaba ka eno ya so that is it. Wherever hell they are, the party, so just make sure that you follow party after the do. That is it. Oh, you are untouchable. Oh, man, talk to be in America. No, in America, party person, nobody will spell. Why spell when? Oh, Maka no fashion. They call no TV, no radio, no no foko. And then no foka about the amoeche or banya with a no foko. That's Maka no Thomas. Wherefore, lose of relevant. So that is it.
I need Ava the Thanksgiving service and people told them, I will put a meal say, I need to work. Hey, those days, I need to work. What's
the Christian Council, and one of the secretary, I'll open the Christian Council.
Ever will be like theology, man. And as with theology, I'm a pastor, as with theology, ever the school at Trinity, but doctorate, fear of one year, good than young never subo okay because it's in a show or never police some of Yamu Gravacabai with Pobomia JJ Glovery here, naming a politician or so there. Mamma Hakuyama Benaya, the many politicians are because it's the same. You see, you want to serve, you feel within yourself that you want to adapt beton. So either you go doctor, you go Uno, or you go.
That's so funny.
All right, me about Bola Mipo comments are Mipo comments are Amaro Nyaro Nyabaro 042670773 no by the Lamamole. So I don't Pakita Majima comments a Cavaro Nemi or Napolete so era. Baba Yapon to no 024267077 3. All right, you to banto the miaboa. Evacho, is it my life night distribution of the messages, you know? Agbendina, my host, Rainbow TV is the best voter. Thank you for this program from my friend. It's on the screen. The best, according to the Nyano Local North Tongue. Medubene Victoria, Yawa, Amafaji, Do, the Kenya District Executive, North Tongue, over in your best district executive, only award.
Oh, wow.
No,
Better win now, what they
over in your bella, that obey and move in your best adjudged district executive. No group banana of Magba, a group of Kotonia Gunukosha. Now she's the best. Part do message Rami. Part do message Rami. Every morning watching you from Hojo, would to me should be respected. Would to me should have respected the presidency when he had power to be late. But okay, Tanya Beto Mapobaya, what the back in the best. This year, I'm Nyanovio Zia over Nascan. Amaroba yola TV boy yo chama over no scan ma bia no to remote control at obo ba jimi a me fie mi va ese go menarika de nemia jiga na le ho menya pomo de nemia jiga ame o kala o mo TV ye ya o kata o mia pom ta mia no bino bio na nya le TV agbo bo na ba yo mo kene bio scan ko mo boga fiaro mo dollar ro dilitamo ke yo kata chanya. And motion that all right, Pat do message, madam. All right, Mika po message, John do message, Nami. Aplau. Morning, this stress from the base show MPP has problem inside. They should listen, not fight. Watching from Aplau. You see, I'm making no say when you're for. Check, man, the pretend for it. Public, I make la paper charming public relations officer. After one of Pugaye and Puga, and Bona, someone with Chashi, I may call on money. I have ever lived with that. Excellent, but you find a show almost 35 minutes on live show. Then move Papa Studio Malua. Ah, who by force you have a don't go anywhere. Chimaka. Buy me just walk on no find I am like you. Take you. Many of you, but phone cheaper fire, many fire. I couldn't can to the you voice of Kata to the that guy can press. Yes. You could minority leader, but I can't. All right. Good morning from John. John dropped our message. I think I've read that message already. Okay. And maybe a last one. Okay, that's fine. That's the message. So, honorable, those are the petrol here.
Yes, sir.
No, Yamak make your image when I don't back me again. What are the petrol here?
What are the
What are the Kafifia drove out for Hababo, Boblombe, Fioka, Midona Buina, 1 million. If you are 1.3, if you are Fioka Mina, 500,000. If you are 650 Hegemela. If you have a Jonah, a who, Yina Plow, 50 year, 50 or 65,000. Oh, I guess what money. Namarecho, Agbacho, Kavuva, Kakao, Maroho, ye 50 or 500,000. If you are 65 gola, a Damus Bokman. I want to diagram of inflation that provide. Come to go find maybe in Angogo. Echo, Nashi, your CD, I got 100 CD. ya mo subo pa
yo akpede babiata yakeno ko nya be nupola unu nya ba 30% a menye nu ki hu approve adeko GPRT you to propose be ne you be you direct you are direct 30%. The ministry chebe how da ejebe wa you are akpe da ni sebe kosara ma ole pepebe wa a discuss alo ato me bora be the 30% whole gbogbo be you are direct the ele justify that because me le to koyama amididina here me did ya immense problem you reduce transport fare by 30% alone na neko ne bia be no didi ehudo gajia alo hudo fejia wa gboro na obe yo be spare part pele nu ko chole ta yo ma ton abidio immense bo didi na isbe po ga kene he increment e va bide ko ya odibe ni o dareji the government agedeme wa discuss mele so be 30 ala eyi apa ta mele so be na ministries the government no ogedeme kwa maybe wa agree on percentage ke he ademi apeteji gake over the years ameno menchemeno suggesting that the government ma regulate that sector sector transport sector service alo that sector ma government ma regulate you because
what
government government okay
mama Krista do message yo when we do
yo
when you want that bol so yo ni squadra no manya ko squadra attack
apeta ministry wa double driver we driver pe o fe kuku alo ba association kemi ape ne ho lo be 30 la yake jidudu chebe 30 sugba pa 30% o be no dareje sugba pa ta 30 kemi ala mele do wa gbo ta kosra kema wa dogo ta ne ho dogo ko la mele so be o fete wa ado pe na neji he ma ba sugbo ne Ghana to apa because nya be yes fu o pasia e ba le e ko motivie gakenu ya chemi le pokpo nye be ne he fu o pasie le didia driver o melo na be ne yo didi asio ya o ya la o pasia ka no sigbe gakene ho nya yiji kola kaba nto dibe ne yo dadeji kemi na bia bo nu ka jo fe ne ho asie le didi ya o melo be ne yo didi wa chena bo e vo be spare part krito ta krito le ji krito koko story do excuse do ko deme kwa evo okipi tanye mele gbogbolo be enye abivi na mu to be de jidudu de a gede ni ape transport nuke ome be jidudu che ano pe asi kehewa nabe no ho aloga kehewa nabe no ho ne he ebi acho ehu ko ide egende ega kehewa ho de jidudu che ano me kemi anabe de transport service providers wede oma no Ghana toza like yakacho like never John Kola yo dareji aw ibe jidudu a na which be jidudu na gedeme ene ho gedeme de enu ya o adidi because we back up Ghana la mesia me no kola darepe asin no ebi amole 100% profit to amoba pele no 2 cedis kaka oba nyako oba dareji 10 cedis kimi mi Ghana to mi alo gbogbo oh enuzi mi ya pasi kwasi no jidudu lo mi wa mi an top greediness ya na be no le ji sigbe government ya create the create the environment alo enamonu popodo asichacha krito anayi di niede na mi enuzi opasi ya government wo dollar nyape exchange rate dollar play ganya unbe o wa no stable bede ne he ide nu enu plefe le beta lo ide bi aple no le wholesale le shop o le bososo de ma atili se pasi ya edidi ni apete mi nyale ke nuzi opasi le du come e fe do ibai fifi ke le ke nu opasi le asi edidi kaka mo wa dibela ne ko anu dira na bele ke ho le bai I menyo because enu ewe ba pleno 100 cedis Ever buy la enuma kiela enye 200 cedis. Fifie ke jududu owo dokaka enuma pass la eba le 100 cedis. Ya be ke never play no 100 cedis so wholesale alo shopper. Ne eche kwe cover ofe shop ya bajira kola. E ya kaba we 200 cedis na be asigo ho ne. Ke mi fi mi Ghana to wa football jududu mele dowa. Ni wa jududu le dowa. Ne du kodo mede wa jududu de agede me a regulate like wa charge. Akpobo ke ne he cho konu ke cho again cover hode lord jebe na charge ke ne kwe cho gen ko de tamale akpobo the distance lord jebe na charge ke kini ma de Ghana touch wa feel jidudu opeto na kakemi asichala no ko bi bale so greedy bela mi a de carton ni utala mi be so ma profit ya mi le system egble ta for me fuel ya na bele ke egble yes nchemele jeta nchemele fili be we yijivie even though but yes hold did enye the look ka dodge jona nyebele ni ape government ya de me hold didi ya che didi ne me wa be ne hold didi kore anofu mi be ya ko no profit wa how no nya didi kola make sure be didi ne Ghana to tanyo mele sure be fike hold do very soon Ghana to mi le mi apa ami dagbe in large quantities na bele ke to pa me gagble ebe few weeks to come la mi anto ami akpade sunu about 40% to 50% la anya mi ke mi adale Ghana tane mi le mi apa mi dale Ghana mi apete mi akoba mi fasia adidi enu ya ta ya na tabe mi ape president mi no gbogbo be visionary president enu oweke ami yesu so le sibe ya wodo de be Ghana to wa po video le mi ni ape to for so many years pe gbogbo ke to mele na de kewa obetema oil refinery ebo le mi ku ami le Ghana le fia mi ko ko do be tabrochi wa ba bulia be atro wa zo ami ko o ka gbogbo ko venami ni aka he dollar gbogbo wa ka ko venami ke mi ba le fupe ka ke fifie ke be mi ape president be ebe vision ple fe do na uta to la o le ready o be you no go kwami le Ghana la you tell you ato da de sunu about 40% dey akoi the Ghana market ele ta mi le shop very soon ami fasia aje didi ke mi Ghana to la mi akpo vide le akoke mi dala mi aje vide check pole me be de for so many years la mi le ami dale Ghana mi be mi aka wedi aka ko igbeta olo Ghana mi ade ne mi dele Ghana adidi asie na mi ta ya nyenu ya wo mi le ta yes ni nya do fifie ke ami embassy ka ko eyijivie ni apete mi seme ka ke mi nya mi ache mi kanya bedi eyi de ka gbo aka didi ule ko le fifie pe Ghana to a ni apogboje na bele ke hemi ba jami 9 cedis 80 pesos eyi de gbo ato ka didi wu 9 cedis 80 pesos ten ya nya afọ enuke hia na be wa ajosi bia ya ne afọ ya o de mi le bedi Ghana nto mi ajemi afamida ta government make sure be the third ele ready beni ata ami ta no ko magbelo yes ma wunu yes o propose be driver o propose be you are already 30% like ministry sa wa dogo le weekend ta no dogo la ministry se chebe ministry chebela 30% la sugbona apa si be minister no gbogbo na esugba apa le Ghana viwe ta mele sure ba wa digiji na ele ke opete ho agree ke mi na Ghana to wanya ga ke 30 ya la esugba pa he menya be government awo na ne chong because ni adume vi ope de die nyenye alomi ape enu ya elevate de Nigeria ape
yo akpe ali kapto mo boy ma ko ma je nya ma to bo ba ti ko en jo na to ni ma ko le ta de no na bo ba ti ya ko mi na ko le o poli ne ba ho poli ya ti ya ni ku ga o stara mo le ne ba to ko lo ko le ba shi lo ya ko na tre nyachi na la pom alo na pom fia ne ba be fuga ho te chin ko na chin fuga ma ya go no ha yo no ba yo ko ne to no no mo da ko nya ko ban ti nya ta o to na na chin ha bi ya ha ro ku so ne ya lo ku be o nyo ne no ko nya ko na le ma mi ona no ya go ta ita mo nya ko se ma mo nya ko nya ko lo ma le go lo ta cha pa ban nya we black ban la le lo na le wa li ka o chan ke nya azorango ma ku me si sarola boy mo je dunya sase me mi le de na ko ma na sana politics news commission ati ba do university my ma nooks president ya hari na isu na le ma ko fuku akon kwa Don't come lectures or university authorities. Never much a government. Abaleke kwa amomo mahama fomo. Amomo move on up. But me a voter in Grano. Now you do a blow. No, you're more TikTok. You're go. Takama. Me commit to the boldness, the confidence of former no mitoy of Jenya Moron to overmanage democracy. Jabba Gorama Glorious on National. Hey! Comedian just of a comedian and the bound of her friend. Many bowl. Blah blah blah. That is the ban, but shag by me at the bank, not Gamelion, even on a news stand. The natural headlines of Kata. The media, at least, million none of us similar perform while you have a subvention, government subvention. And my mother, me, Bashi, Chikatamago, or one of Ghana, Fami Magai, that is called never hold that or Herne to come with you. You have a subvention. If you are at all for some way, prudent economic management, of one me, Bashi, Maya Brogo. Allow me passing Moya Globe. Kaka Kufomolia, best golden age of business. If I'm a shaman business, that a proper container, not 40-footer container, ni go control ba. Or then I'm actually done at a manage a company and a container, you just fried rice war. Fish are in your business. Before you make you go to business, another hour. If you are indomie, one more for half of the Lagos, if I go very Mankuru Nanajino. But economics go suffer for how or my mouth. War is solid economics. You might go Blomberg, but I want to hear no more Bashijima. Knowing very well, Senor Maso, but prices are upwardly flexible, downwardly rigid. Prices are upwardly flexible, downwardly rigid. Masayama Safumafo, Eletamana was ever. But I'm a Mupashia, Yaji, Nayaji, Megalona Didino. That Kaina me as you Kaka Munaichi. Bonedidia, Obama, Jodi go. Economics, I must have Safuma for Banyaro. You know, so I'm thinking I'm calling on government. I'll allow you to respond to that. I'm thinking I'm calling on government. But me will stable economics. Cover stability in prices. Me maganya awesome. Me go got a well bank book, me have fine. Me go got a well bank book, me have fine. The plenty of economics are also semi valley. If you comment so coffee, you will respond to what I'm saying. For free. Coffee will message that. Morning, if first go up by 30%, market women will suffer. The minister should reject this. Watching from another. I'm excited about you and your message. Now, Emmanuel Kuso, when I call about message, I talk about that. We're no more football. As we know football, national no football. Me and I'm going to play a grab. Passing out again. Economics go back on already. Pocket economics. Anyway, Bright. But Tony, you did do good work. Rainback TV is the voice of the people. From other blue respect. All right, thank you. Yeah. All right, Ablado message. Good morning. We are watching from Peki. 30% is too high. Maybe 10% or 50% will be fair. Abla, we don't want any increase. We don't want any increase. There's no English or MPP. Please. Mauli do message that. Mekondi host. Fuel price go up. So GPRTU get point. But 30% is wicked. Government must intervene. From Teta Mauli. Now, in what way will government intervene? How? Honorable, how? Okay, I'm a follow message now. Agbentina me bring back TV. I admire you. How Agbentina me bring back TV. Maybe Agbentia was my bala. Indi wana that I will because Agbentina me touch TV for program. Then you imagine Agbendiza mo that ndi ema me hondi beautiful. Agbendia me ashaman. Agbentina me bring back TV. I admire how you always bring transport issues to the table. Keep it up, say. MFI, you admire me. Oh, I admire you also. All right, thank you for your message.
Yo, Akpe, I think that me establish very clearly. The many Ghana the day at times fluctuations in poor prices will do. I think all over the world who experience now even in some other parts of the country, the world, Germany, those areas where hey, gas off in today most of them are complaining about the fluctuations in that now, okay, how like a government about it. I think the whole Jegoma government intervene by then you take off some margins where you subsidize. Government cannot be subsidizing a CIO because at the end of the day, cost only na cover. If government though, if they take off levies, there were a tax component dollar there. Meanwhile, this only revenue measures were they into specific projects were like let's say the NHIL levy. Yeah, Heminyabo is for the NHIL. Yeah, government they are data. If you have a government digger to cater for that. Like a government digger, it will never hold because me have a revenue. I met all me to but I will never hold. And that loan, akabanya akabano do akabano miaji. The government jela aton subsidize to a point ke ho football ya temi. The head eki hill jebe to come a view to no water. That's wow. This any ya in Chile cocoa sector under
1 minute
under the previous government the world market price in cocoa EDD let's say ever EDD. For the government, football, Ejabenia, near keep Enuki Hill, Kenawe, meanwhile, never the world market, did I have a hollow, Yakobale Fehene, Yakobale Gato Pap or call a farmers way. Meanwhile, never know the realistic price in my world marketer, EDD. So let them understand EDD. So this is what they are supposed to get. But here about hollow, and we are top, I can't know, please, Egbe. Can you tell them Kayajo? Let me go ahead.
Okay, 1 second. If you are video, Dame Sarah Mulally, you can Archbishop of Canterbury, Ghana. If you have a poor Upa Bishop in your power for the college, you rebel over your Bishop Lorenza, so in your Archbishop of Canterbury. No one, that's the first of it. I'm not aware of that. Ever done a lot to say, you want to never keep your point of violent testimony now, and that's all over. So, if I go to Copora to go to Copora, maybe
I say it too. In a nutshell, Sunday of the nuclear. Yes, Ghana, and in that way, I promote more of that, and never congregation, Georgia Pokwa, was patronizing Kente, as a business. So for me, I think it's a good one. I promote tourism.
Yes,
culture. So, yes, it's good.
Dame Sarah Mulally, Archbishop of Canterbury, the head of the Anglican Church. Anglican Tony McBoy from America, I was to put that kind of thing. They could link them to a boy, and no Yago, you can come
open manner.
no ceilings ever English dictionary. Nyatepe. But see dictionary akara azon fi e passe K. No ceilings ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view and you know the view canola basic level and you know Americanola SHS and you know Americanola university alola language on nanya make manya be view and they are strong but no ceilings ever English dictionary and you know I'm a make nanya be view mojura po and they are strong but no ceilings ever English dictionary and you know mama nala dile go so mad na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no ceilings ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no ceilings ever English dictionary enyon to.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Teaches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put it. I too much try to toy. When you warm, but a killer.
Oh,
never mind for fun. Never got too much to move. I'm not to go.
That another Abraham, if you better kind of lay a party to point for boy hour. But the husband did not know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yapokatara Gay.
Well, I'm not to go.
Vai, but I can lose to go. It a big dad as a Cremont on top. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola togbo? You man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala kwakwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa o ja dogo mandiga andre kla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemiayi Vola eva senta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domadu le fuda now Echite padaka Ufuto makata Mele to wonyi dewa Eti makolo no ba Na ile vola eva senta Ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park Afima na kodo Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukaume Wofukama tutu dokada Vola heba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba Akodo Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de
what is that? Go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't pay them, you to put Tanya too much toy. When you want to kill it.
Oh,
the mother of fun. The mother tell my two. Come on, not go.
that is not Abraham. If you are a kind of lay, I party to point for boy hour. But the husband didn't know fear. Koko ina duna for gara wenye ya pono pasi bani ko hi wonta nyani furawa wala pasi ko ko nya ko katara ge
bo wana chiko ku no e problem
vai batakalo sugo ita mi gada de secrement tonto wala pasi ko wa busielo weto sina
mayire vola to gbo ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje
vola chika no plan na zama Fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
Miapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika miato matoro ha woza vola chika fofo jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to onaula masa.
vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola Nina nemiayi Vola eva senta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domadu le fuda now Echite padaka Ufuto makata Mele to wonyi dewa Eti makolo no ba Na ile vola heba senta Ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park Afima na kodo Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukaume Wofukama tutu dokada Vola heba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba Akodo Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hoppo wi afo
Ago. Oh, what is that? Go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't pay them, you to put Tanya too much toy. When you want to kill it.
Oh,
the mother of fun. The mother tell my two. Come on, not go.
that is not Abraham. If you are a kind of lay, I party to point for boy hour. But the husband didn't know fear. Koko ina duna for gara wenye ya pono pasi bani ko hi wonta nyani furawa wala pasi ko nya ko katara ge
bo non chico e plolo.
Va batakalo sugo. Ita biga dada secrement tonto. Voilà partie que wa, vous suivez le weto fera.
Ma ire vola to gbo. Ye man